it's Gina with WTI. Do you struggle with finding the perfect gift for the man in your life? Something that is truly thoughtful, is going to last a long time, and even be an heirloom for your family? This absolutely beautiful pocket watch from Brelsen has been the ideal choice for my husband. Not only is this mechanical watch a classic, timeless style, but it brings an edginess with a little bit of a steampunk look to it too. My husband loves that both sides of it open. One side has easy to read Roman numerals, and then the other side shows you the intricate workings of all the gears and wheels, and it is so cool to watch. My husband can easily attach the chain that comes with it to his waistband on a pair of dress pants or even on his belt, and then it hangs really nicely with the chain into his pocket. I got him the Onyx double hunter style, but Brelsen has other styles that you can choose from, or even personalization, so that you can make it really extra special for that someone in your life. Giving this pocket watch as a gift says, I love you and I care about you. And I think you can't get any better than that. But that's just my point of view.